Do you know how much I like peaches?
Do you know how much I like peaches?
No, I like peaches more.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
We're about to find out.
Okay. There's nothing like a juicy peach on a bright summer day. Nothing like it. And with the classic, calm down over there. And with the classic fruit in peak season, they're peak season right now.
Yes.
Now's the time to pack on the produce.
So, from the sweet, spicy to the tipsy, Chef Amy Riolo is back with all the ways to indulge in peach pleasures. My ears really perked after that last one.
It's hard to get it out.
So happy National Peach Day.
Thank you.
Amy Riolo.
Eat a peach day.
Always love having you.
Yeah,
look at all
I have
this.
a question. Okay, so peaches are in season for how much longer?
That's right. You'll probably have about 3 more weeks.
Okay, how do we find the most perfect peach? What do we need to look for?
Well, you want to look for ones that are like these over here. They're nice and ripe and plump. They don't really have any bruises on them. The color's really nice.
When you squeeze it, should it be a little squishy?
You want it to be a little bit squishy, just for
They're slippery.
yes, a little bit squishy, just so that you know that it's ripe enough to eat. If it's too hard, you have to let it wait kind of a day and a half.
Okay.
But
Kinda
the hard
like an
ones are good
avocado.
for baking. Because
Which
sometimes
ones
when
are
we
better for
bake,
baking?
the hard ones.
The hard ones?
Yeah, because sometimes when we're making like a peach pie, if you use the really, really soft ones, it's not good. But the soft ones are good for our drink. So the Bellini,
So just leave
soft
them
ones.
out to get them to ripen up and get a little softer? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and you don't refrigerate them?
You can,
Oh, you
but,
can?
but
Okay.
it's
Yeah.
better if you leave them out. But if you need to refrigerate them, it's okay too.
Okay,
All right,
sure.
you got a lot of ideas.
Yeah.
I do. So I'm doing some recipes from the Quick Diabetic Recipes book, and we're going to do a make-ahead slaw over here with peaches. It's cabbage, peaches, and carrot. We've got a fiery black bean, peach, and corn salad.
Ooh,
It's
so
kind of like a
savory,
salsa.
yeah.
We're going to do a sweet and savory mix today. And then we've got a peach shortcake over here. It's got some almonds and cinnamon. That's what we're going to demo. And we're going to finish off with a peach Bellini.
Oh my
Okay.
goodness gracious.
All right.
Okay, so
So
let's
to start the
Time to get to
shortcake.
work.
This is the
Yes.
shortcake, right?
Yes, if you're at home and anybody wants to make the shortcake, about 2.5 cups of the sliced peaches. So these are the nice firm ones, like the ones that Horace was touching. Then we're going to make a mix over here with some sliced almonds, about 1/2 cup, a little bit of sugar or sugar substitute. This is about 1.5 tablespoons. And Eileen, I'm going to have you add a little bit of cinnamon.
Okay.
And I'm going to add a teaspoon of almond extract.
How much?
And that's
About
fine. Yeah, that's good right there. A little bit of cinnamon goes a long way.
Yeah, it does. Hopefully I didn't put too much in there.
No,
Do you
that's
want me to
great.
stir it?
And you want to stir that up. And then Horace, you can put those on top of the peaches right as soon as she's done. And I'm going to start with our shortcake topping. So, instead of biscuits, we're trying to keep it healthy. So we've got some whole wheat flour here.
Ooh,
And I'm going to add in my baking powder. And I'll just stir that up.
There you go,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you.
So there's just baking powder and whole wheat flour. If you're not concerned
smells
about
good.
health, you could use regular flour.
Okay.
Going to add either egg white or egg substitute, just to kind of make it stick together a little bit.
All right.
Then we're going to add a tablespoon of canola oil.
You can tell when you're a really good chef because you just eyeball everything.
Yes.
I don't do that.
I even do that in baking. It's like it becomes so second nature.
But that's wonderful.
But you don't have to.
Well done.
Thank you.
And I'm going to add
I'm an
some
artist.
milk in here.
Okay.
And this is going to make, that does look beautiful, Horace.
Yeah.
Good job. You are. Do you bake a lot at home?
Well, me? Baking, no, I try to cook, but...
You
I'm
never
gonna
brought
steal
anything
this.
for us.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You should. And for people at home, you can do this with blueberries or with apples. It doesn't have to be only peaches. It's just because we're celebrating the peach today. But peaches are so wonderful. They're full of antioxidants in addition to the flavor.
Yeah.
And they're really good for helping with cholesterol and heart disease. They have a lot of special polyphenols and antioxidants that aren't found in a lot of other fruits.
Really? Now, is this recipe in your newest cookbook?
Yes,
It
yes.
is wonderful.
So that's the Quick Diabetic Recipes, and it has, even though it's for people with diabetes, the numbers are so intense now. Like 1 in 2 American adults has either diabetes or pre-diabetes.
Wow.
So we want to make sure that everybody's eating kind of diabetes friendly, and especially with recipes like this that taste delicious, it's not too hard.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to start scooping, and you all
Scooping
can do
this?
it too if you want to
Okay.
grab this spoon.
Sure.
And we'll just put big globs all across. And
love
that way,
it.
when it bakes, it becomes kind of like a little dumpling on top, and you turn it over. So that's how we get this mixture here, which is kind of like tart tatin-ish, right? So that we bake 400 degrees
Okay.
for 20-25 minutes. It
Not
comes
bad.
out all golden.
And I'm sure it makes your house smell so
Oh my gosh,
yummy.
everyone loves it. Everyone loves it.
We haven't baked yet, but this smells...
It really
Very
does
good.
smell
That's
so good.
wonderful. And yeah, just 20 minutes. And you can do it a day ahead if you want to serve it for brunch.
Okay.
And then I would
with
love
a little ice cream maybe on top, some vanilla ice cream.
Yes.
Ooh.
Or yogurt, whatever you
of
like.
course.
But this is
There
for
you
you,
go.
and
No,
Horace,
there.
that one's for you. I would
here.
love for you all to taste it.
Thank you. We will.
Let me know what you think. And I also want to talk a little about our Bellini. So we've got these wonderful peach Bellinis here. So Bellinis were invented in Venice at Harry's Bar, and equal parts peach and champagne
very good.
in the blender.
Oh my goodness.
If you want to do a little bit of Prosecco with it, equal parts peach and Prosecco.
Well, if you want the recipes and more about Amy, head over to our Facebook page now at ABC7GMW for all of Amy's peach-packed recipes. More about this book.
This is a salsa in there as well?
The salsa's in there. We call it a salad. We call it a fiery black bean salad. The slaw is in there, and about 150 different recipes, everything you need to know to plan a meal with nutrition in mind.
Amy, thank you so much.
Thank you for
Cheers
having
to
me.
you.
Day
Salute.
to
All right.
dual peach lovers.